Have you ever wondered how technology is invented? Have you tried to imagine what new technologies we will use in the future? Or have you ever considered the role that you might play in creating our future technology? Technologies represent our desire to build a better world, which means they embody social progress. They represent the frontiers of both our understanding of the world as it is and our creativity in imagining the world as it could be. Some technologies serve us in our day-to-day lives, expanding what we are capable of, while other technologies operate behind the scenes, nearly invisible, but without which our modern world would not be possible. Some still only exist in theory, but nonetheless shape the future we are heading towards. Yet many people never get the chance to see behind the curtain, to understand the complex processes by which technologies are shaped and deployed. But the truth is, anyone can be and is involved in these complex processes in some way.
Arizona State University is directly engaged in the development of technologies that will shape our world in many ways and for many decades to come. This means that we have a responsibility and an opportunity to help our community members engage the development of influential emerging technologies. It is therefore important that we teach about how technologies are developed, discussed, and used within our society. This course is designed to do just that.
Often, technologies are depicted as having been developed along what is called the linear model. This model assumes that technologies have their roots in basic research, where scientists at elite research labs follow their curiosity to uncover facts about how the world around us works. Those facts are then picked up by private businesses like GE and Honeywell, or by government agencies such as NASA and the Department of Defense, who then use this new knowledge to solve important real-world problems. And in doing so, they create the technologies that shape our world. This model has informed both the popular imagination and the policy of the United States since World War II. But the reality is far more interesting.
This online class was developed by us, the students in the Science, Technology, and Public Affairs class taught by Drs. Crow and Anderson in the spring of 2020. Each module here will walk you through the particulars of how one exciting emerging technology is being developed, deployed, and discussed. While each module is different, they will all explore questions such as which bodies of knowledge make these technologies possible, which actors and institutions are involved in developing these technologies and what are their motivations, which policies are shaping the technologies and in what way.
And they will each consider the important questions which these technologies raise, such as, what are the implications of how these technologies are designed? How do these technologies contribute to or detract from the goals of sustainability? How could these technologies affect our society, for better or for worse? And what version of the future will these technologies create? The technologies chosen for this course may shape the coming years, decades, or even centuries. Understanding how they are developed and what they imply can help us all be prepared for the day when they become commonplace.
And in some cases, that day is today.
We hope that after exploring this course, you begin to see all technologies in a new light.
We hope to provide a lens that can be used to reveal the complex social, economic, and environmental forces which shape all technologies.
From those which seem to belong in a sci-fi book to those which are so commonplace that we hardly even notice them.
If we understand this complex process of innovation, then we will better understand how the technologies around us are writing our society's future.